Today we're talking about symmetry. Symmetry is when two things are equal, such as you have two squares that are equal. A square is symmetrical because equal on all four sides, and we have demonstrate this square is equal on all four sides, or the same length, so it's symmetrical. Now, a line of symmetry is where you can divide it to where it's equal on both sides. It's one side is equal to the other. No matter what you're folding, are you folding a square or whatever you're folding? And your second one is some shapes have multiple lines of symmetry, such as a square has multiple lines of symmetry. Now our first shape is a butterfly. See how a butterfly has similar sides on both? Well, you fold it down the line of symmetry, you're going to have both sides symmetrical. Both sides are equal when you folded them, so they cover each other perfectly. If we had this cut out, then it would be perfect on both sides. Now for another shape like this one, it goes into the next category, which is multiple lines of symmetry, because it can be folded on any of these three lines and still be symmetrical on any of these lines. If you fold it on, say, this line, it'll be symmetrical on both sides. But also, if you fold it on this line, it will be symmetrical on both sides. And we also do that with square. You can go make it a triangle to make it symmetrical one way, and then you go the other way and make another triangle, and it still will be symmetrical. And you can do this all four ways and it will become symmetrical on all the sides. You also have a triangle. Now you can turn it any way, as long as you fold it on your line of symmetry, it will still be the symmetrical on both sides. Now we also got a rectangle here. Now this one only has two, because you can do it what we call either the hot dog, which is our going across because you have a hot dog like this, or hamburger. You have hamburger, which is your fatter way. It makes two squares, so you have two lines of symmetry on your rectangle. So that concludes our demonstration on symmetry. What we went over was symmetry is something that's symmetrical on both sides of a shape or an item of different items. And we went over both rectangle, triangle, and square, also a butterfly, and the hexagon was our other shape.